Hey everyone, welcome back to another character design process. So today I'm drawing a Ronin, meaning a samurai without a master. He is one of the best sword master on earth and was a great warrior, but now he's seeking revenge for the death of his master. He belongs to the same world of the character I drew some time ago, Akuma Samurai and Asuga. Oh, by the way, you can check it out after watching this video. First, I'm drawing basic form to understand how his stance would be, and it took me some time to decide his pose. But finally I thought it would look great as if he's about to take out his sword. So this is the basic form and I think I'll go with this pose. I drew a cloth that he uses to cover up and to blend himself in between the crowds, so that no one can notice him. And originally I thought I'll draw him without his armor, but after thinking for a while I decided to draw his armor too. Speaking of armor and samurai, since childhood I was always fascinated by samurai. Also yes, superheroes, but samurai has its own place. Like I always wanted my own samurai sword, so one of my uncle used to make me a sword from wood. Samurai sword was my favorite weapon. I still want it. I don't know what I'll do with it, but I want it. I guess I've watched too many samurai movies, most of them starring Hiroyuki Sanada. He was even in The Last Samurai and 47 Ronin. So this is what my character looks like. Now it's time to give it a final outline using fine liner. So I'm done with the outline. Now it's time for the coloring part. For that, I'm using my Faber-Castell watercolors. But before that, time to tape down the drawing so that the paper won't move and to get a clean outline in the end. At first, I thought of using red color, but that would look similar to Akuma Samurai. So in the end, I decided to use blue color. Also, red color would be too bright as the whole idea of him is to make him unnoticeable. So the cooler blue color would be suitable for him. So here it is, the character design of Ronin. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and turn on that post notification bell to know when I'm uploading my new video. And also check out my other videos too, you may also like it. Until then, I'll see you next time.